Hello mga higala, kumusta? Ako si Teacher Joanne, and karon I am going to teach you some of the most common Bisaya verbs. Kung ready na ka, let's get started. Sugdan na nato.
Naligo. Naligo means taking a shower. The future tense of the word naligo is maligo. We also use the word or verb naligo when we want to say that we got into the water or get into the water, such as the pool or the beach. Naligo ko sa swimming pool or naligo ko sa dagat. Nagluto. Nagluto means cooking. Nagluto kog pansit. I am cooking pansit. The future tense of the form or word nagluto is magluto. Magluto. Magluto ko unya. I will cook later. Nagkaon. Nagkaon is a present form of the word eat. If I say nagkaon ko means I am eating. Nagkaon or nagakaon ko. I am eating. The past tense form of the word nagkaon is nikaon. Nikaon ko ganina. I ate earlier. The future form of the word is mukaon. Mukaon ko ana ugma. I will eat that tomorrow. Nag-inom. Nag-inom is a present form of the word drink. Nag-inom kog juice. I am drinking juice. The past form of the word is niinom. Niinom kog tubig ganina. I drank water earlier. The future form of the word is muinom. Muinom ko ana unya. I will drink that later. Naglakaw. Naglakaw means to go out. For example, naglakaw si ate means my sister went out. So it could be to run an errand or do something else. The word doesn't really have a future form. When we say we are going to go out to run an errand the following day or later, we just say na ako'y lakaw. Na ako'y lakaw ugma means I will go out tomorrow or I will run an errand tomorrow or I will go out to do something tomorrow. Nagdula means playing. Nagdula ang mga bata. The kids are playing. The future form of the word is magdula. Magdula sila ugma. They are going to play tomorrow. Nagbaktas or nagbaklay means walking. Nagunsa ka karon? Nagbaktas ko or nagbaklay ko means I am walking. The future form of the word is magbaktas or magbaklay. Magbaklay ta sa bukid unya means let's go for a walk at the farm later. Nagbisita. Nagbisita means paying someone a visit. Nagbisita means sa akong lolo ganina means we paid our grandfather a visit earlier. The future form of the word is mobisita or magbisita. Mobisita mi dira unya means we are going to visit there later. Nitrabaho or nagtrabaho means working. Nagtrabaho ba ako ron? It means I am actually working right now. The future form of the word is mutrabaho or magtrabaho. Magunsa ka ugma. Ay, magtrabaho baya ko? Or Mutabaho baya ko? It means I'm actually working tomorrow. Natulog. Natulog means sleeping. Nagunsa si Papa. Natulog baya? He is sleeping. Unsay mong plano unya? What's your plan for later? Wala, matulog lang. Nothing, just to sleep.
Salamat kaayo sa pagtanaw. If you found this video helpful, or if you just want to learn Bisaya with a little heart and humor, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell if you don't want to miss a new lesson. I post fresh videos every week that talks about culture and about practical phrases that you can use every day. Support this channel, please check out the links I have in the description box. Hangtod sa sunod, this is your teacher Joanne. Salamat!